If you're looking for a functional SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2019 Honda Pilot Touring in white diamond pearl. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seats, power sunroof, rear DVD entertainment system, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6270.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.